Introducing Stanmore 2 Bluetooth. Stanmore 2 is the most versatile speaker in the Marshall lineup and is perfect for any room, big or small. It delivers on the promise of high-performance sound that is synonymous with the Marshall name. Stanmore 2 produces clean and precise audio, even at the highest levels, due to advanced components such as two 15-watt Class D amplifiers powering its tweeters and a 50-watt Class D amplifier to drive its mighty subwoofer. The wooden cabinet construction provides a warm, natural sound with a bass reflex system that packs a punch at low frequencies. With Bluetooth 5.0 and aptX technology, you can play your music in glorious stereo sound with no wires required. Use your Bluetooth-enabled smartphone, tablet or computer to stream music directly to your speaker. This technology provides lossless wireless sound with a range of up to 30 feet or 10 meters while maintaining connectivity. There are more ways to connect than just Bluetooth 5.0. With the 3.5mm input, you can use a turntable, cassette deck, or any other listening device for an analog listening experience. Fine-tune your music to meet your requirements. You can use the Marshall Bluetooth app or the analog controls on your speaker's top panel to perfect your sound according to the room you're in. Adjust the volume, treble, and bass with the brass knobs, or use the Marshall Bluetooth app with the built-in equalizer in case you're out of reach. This speaker features multi-host functionality, so you can easily connect and switch between two Bluetooth devices. Now you and a friend can take turns playing what you both want to hear. In addition to the analog control knobs, you can use the Marshall Bluetooth app to customize your listening experience or control the music you're listening to. Use the app to switch between equalizer presets, set up stereo or ambient mode, and adjust the intensity of the LED lights on the top panel. You can also wake up your speaker or put it into standby mode in a matter of seconds. Classic Marshall details such as a textured vinyl covering, salt and pepper fret, and the iconic script logo adorn this speaker's sturdy wooden frame. A brass plate located on the front of the speaker is proudly etched with the establishment date of 1962, a subtle nod to the brand's heritage and over 55 years of loud. Bring the big stage home with Stanmore 2 Bluetooth, the legendary one.